welcome back to my channel. Author April Taylor here, and I am super excited to be bringing you another episode of my Writer's Toolkit series. This is a series where we cover different apps, books, and tools that will make your life and your writing life so much easier. Top 5 apps of 2018. So these are the apps that I found for 2018 or used continuously during the year of 2018 that I really feel made a big difference in my life and in my writing life. So I'm excited to share them with you. So before we get into that, I just want to remind you to do the subscribe, hit the little bell so you don't miss out if you like this type of content. Also, if you have some great apps that have really improved your life or your writing life, please leave that in the comments below because I promise I would absolutely love to know what is working for you and what doesn't. Let's get right into my top 5 apps. To start out with the newest app that I've started using. Now, I learned about this app from author Kristen Martin on her YouTube channel, and if you haven't already, go check her out. It's awesome. And this is the Forest app, and this is a productivity app that is going to allow you to use the Pomodoro technique, which is working in increments of 25 minutes, taking a 5-minute break, and returning to it. But the cool thing is that you can set this like so, and you're going to plant a little tree, and the timer will go for 25 minutes. If you pick up your phone, if you make a call, your tree is going to wither and die. And let me tell you, there's just something magical about being productive and not killing your tree. I did have a series of setbacks where some things going on in the background of my phone were causing my tree to wither and die. However, when I did a phone update, it seems to have cleared that up. But if you do encounter those kind of problems, you might want to check and see if there are any fixes or workarounds for that, because you don't want your tree to die. So that's a great productivity app. I've actually been using it on a daily basis. I've recently started time blocking, and basically where I'm setting a certain increment of time, and during that time I'm working on my whatever task it is. So I might spend 3 or 4 hours writing, and then another day I'll spend 3 or 4 hours editing. Another day it might be filming videos or editing videos. And so this Forest app and using the Pomodoro technique is working great for me, and I've had great success. So I highly recommend checking it out if you just want to go beyond having a normal timer. Another fun thing is you can actually upgrade, and with I think the paid version of the app, you actually can plant real trees. Like when you grow so many, you can actually, that the company will plant a tree. It's environmentally sound as well. How fun is that? Have you used the Forest app? If so, let me know in the comments below. Are there any other great timer apps or productivity apps that you're finding useful? The second app that I wanted to share with you is one that I've been using for several months now. I really wanted to take my affirmations to a new level, as I've recently started my Miracle Mornings, which is a really neat concept, and I can do a video about that later if you're interested in knowing more about my morning routine. Just let me know in the comments below. So I went on a search for an affirmations app, and I just kind of stumbled along to this one in the Google Play Store, and I really enjoy it. It's simply called My Affirmations. Now, what I like about it is it comes with preset affirmations, but you can customize them and change them. There are different categories. It comes with background music, but you can also record yourself saying the affirmations. There are some beautiful photo backdrops that are built into it, but you can also customize it and use your own background. So this is just a really great affirmations app. It kind of gets you started with them with basic affirmations, and then you can change those and customize them to your heart's content. The layout is simple. It's easy to use. It is free. There are some ads that'll come up when you finish your affirmations and go to close it out, but honestly, those are not something that interfere with the use of it to me at all. This is an app that I really found useful. Easy to be able to just have my affirmations with me. I typically do them in the morning at home, but sometimes I will get started on them in the car while we're waiting for the bus in the mornings. So lots of opportunities there if you are into affirmations, which, by the way, I wasn't always. I kind of had a negative view, kind of saw them as woo-woo a little bit. But I can tell you there is a difference in my life since I have started speaking and just retraining my brain with affirmations and focusing on positive things with affirmations. App number 3 that I want to share, this is actually one I have been using for 2 years now, but I'm going to include it because it is something that I use every single week. On a yearly basis, I do use this to organize my goals and keep track of them, and it is called Trello. A couple other programs that are similar, Asana is one of them, and they basically allow you to set up almost Pinterest style boards and store your information. Now, like I said, I use it for setting my yearly goals, quarterly goals. You can share it with another person. So if you have an accountability buddy or you are working on a project with a team, Trello is great and it is free. And I love some of the customization. You can set your backgrounds, that sort of thing. But actually what I use it for on a weekly basis isn't actually for my writing, but it's something that has to be done. And doing this in an organized way makes more time for writing. And I use it to store my recipes, and to make my weekly menu. If you're interested in finding out more about how I use Trello to do my grocery planning and my weekly menu planning, let me know because I would love to share that if it's something that you're interested in. It takes a little while to customize it, to set it up, to get your recipes in there. But now I have a bank of recipes and it's really easy. I just kind of build my menu by dragging and dropping, and I have it available on my desktop and it's also available on my phone. So when I'm at the grocery store, if I decide to change something, I have all my recipes and ingredients there and I can make those changes very quickly and easily. So Trello, so many uses, absolutely love it. My 4th app is actually one that I've been using for about 4 years, and that is Rana Designs. And these are just beautiful. I admit I'm not the type of person to spend money on playing games or buying add-ons to apps. I just generally don't do that. But with Rana, there are so many beautiful designs that you can purchase and packs that you can purchase that I've definitely spent a lot of money on this app. They're only 99 cents to buy a pack of images. So basically you can use it to edit your photos or to create graphics for Pinterest, Tumblr, that sort of thing. But Rana is fabulous for adding an extra touch to your Instagram photos or creating some cute quotes to post on social media. I just love to play with it. Definitely a very useful app if you like to edit photos, create quotes, that sort of thing, but you want access to some really cute designs, then you can find that with Rana. So the 5th is also something that I've been using for about 2 years. I use it on a regular basis, primarily for my YouTube thumbnails and social media posts, and that is Canva. If you're not familiar with Canva, it is fabulous. It takes a lot of the effort out of creating posts for social media, for blogs. They have pre-designed formats. You can go in and customize them to your heart's content, upload your images. If you do the paid version, then they will even help you set up a brand kit where your colors and your fonts are kind of pre-selected and available, and it will store a lot of your designs for you with that option. Now, you can purchase additional images, but there are also workarounds around that. You can get free images online, download them to your computer, and then upload them to Canva. So you don't have to buy the package or anything. You can use Canva for free, but sometimes it is easy just to purchase images or use the Canva for work and have access to more images. So it just kind of depends what works for you in your particular situation. 5 apps that I have used consistently or discovered in 2018 that have just made a huge difference in my productivity and my life. And I wanted to share those with you today. So again, thank you so much for joining me. I am super excited to bring you the Writer's Toolkit videos. Let me know what other type of videos you would like to watch. All right, don't forget to subscribe. Check out my website, www.authораpril.com. Sign up for my newsletter so you can stay up to date on all the latest. And you can also access my book, Writing Prompts Decoded, there if a writing prompt book sounds like something you might be interested in. All right, guys, see you next time. Bye.